We are this close to hitting 300 subscribers, and our current goal is 1,000 subscribers.
Baby, let me change your life. You wanna see you can be anything you want, baby.
Make sure that you like the video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Always comment below. You know your girl is really good with giving feedback and responding to everybody. Also, make sure that you hit that notification bell, because once we hit that 1,000 subscribers, I am going to do a giveaway of one retro Jordan, not a raffle, but a giveaway of one retro Jordan, and that's at 1,000 subscribers. Y'all really don't want to miss that. Before I really get into the bulk of this video, I just want to mention a little side note. I have been getting multiple DMs about, getting a shirt. If any of you know or is subscribed to Jumperman Chris, then you saw the red Jordan and Eye for Kicks t-shirt that I sent out to him. The biggest thing is I will not remove that an Eye for Kicks over the eyes. Right now I am only selling my own personal merchandise, and I am doing them at $25 a shirt. So if you are interested in one of the 4 designs that I have so far, see the giveaway on my Instagram to see the images. If you're interested in one of my An Eye for Kicks merchandise t-shirts, please shoot me a direct message. Let me know and I'll be sure to get that out to you. If you're just looking for that image without my branding, it's not going to happen right now. I'm not doing custom orders at this time. So as I stated in my most recent video, I did hit a W on sneakers. If you remember what it was, then you already know what is in this box. If you don't, well then I'll just have to show you. I do love, by the way, and I hope this is a permanent thing. I don't know if you can see just a little brand in here, the tiny little Nike. But guys, there is no more just steal it tape all over the box. I am loving this, and I hope this is a permanent change. So enough about that. Let me go ahead and dive into this package. I am super excited about this shoe. Well, I am excited about every shoe. Let's be honest, that's the joys of being a sneakerhead. Any shoe you get excited about. All right, so we've got just your classic Nike box. So it's a size 7Y, which is, as you know by now, my size. Sorry, let me get that in focus for you a little bit. No? All right, forget it. So I got the Dunks, the black and white Dunks. I am super excited about these. As I've shown in my previous videos, my first Dunks was actually the UNLV, which is now the Ohio State. I don't care what you say. And this is my second Dunk. I did pay resale for the UNLV. For the Ohio State Dunk, this one, your girl got that W on sneakers, so I only paid retail, which makes it that much more beautiful. I love that it's a super clean shoe. It's black and white. You can literally pair it with anything. You can dress it up a little bit. You can dress it down. It's super versatile, and I love that. So super excited to add this to my collection. As I mentioned also in the previous video, your girl was trying to go for those Jordan 9 Change the World. That's what I had my eye on. I was going to go for it Saturday morning, and then they got pushed back. Are we really surprised at this point? Not really. But, have those coming out on the 31st of this month. So I am definitely going to be, putting in all the reservations, raffles, whatever I can, be on point with that. And then this weekend, we've got the Jordan 3 Midnight Navies dropping. It's a nice shoe. Not something I personally care to have in my collection. So I might just go for it to resell. All right, drum roll please. We have some big news. Your girl has her very first interview. It is on a radio station. I am super, super excited, a little bit nervous, but we'll get over all of that. It is going to be on, the station is Everything But Religion. It's a podcast on Powered by Virginia Radio. It will be airing on Tuesday, which is March 23rd at 5 o'clock. I'm so excited for this. Make sure that in advance you go and you can download the Live 365 app, and then you'll search Powered by Virginia Radio. Make sure you have that ready by Tuesday at 5. They also have a YouTube channel as well as Facebook. Everything will be popping up right next to me, and I have the links for everything in the description below. Just a quick reminder for y'all before we go ahead and wrap up this video, those Jordan 1 University Blues are back up on the Flex apps starting March 24th. They are going to be available for the reservations. It's only a 1-day window, so make sure that you put it on your calendar, put it in your phone, whatever you have to do, because this is your opportunity, if you missed out last time, to get these gorgeous shoes for retail. So make sure you hit up all 3, sneaker apps and put those reservations in. And then until next time, it's your girl, an eye for kicks. Tune in to see what I've got my eye on next.